Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today I am going to start with a new program in the OpenCV series which will be dealing with the videos. So till now we have worked with the images in this series, and today the program which we will be dealing with the videos. So how you can open the video camera, the camera webcam of your system, that we will be seeing today with the help of OpenCV. So import CV2, and here I'm just taking the capture. It's just a variable CV2 dot video capture we have to use, and here I am giving 0. I will be telling that how and why it is using. We are using here, and while true. This while true I have taken because we are going to handle the videos, and in the video there is not a single frame. We are having multiple frames. So till the video is running, the loop will be running. So ret and frame, two variables I have taken, and here I am taking capture dot read. So here two variables we have taken. The ret is just like these two are just the variable. You can take whatever you like. Ret basically it will store the true or false the value according to the availability of the frame, and the frame is actually the frame which we are which will be created. Then here I am taking cv2.imShow, so to show the frame, and I am taking the name frame here, okay, frame, and I am passing the frame variable which we have created on the line number 4. And if cv2.destroy wait key 0, actually in the case of videos we do not have to take the wait key 0, we have to take wait key 1. It will be working as the same. It works for the images as wait key 0, but in the case of videos we have to deal with it as wait key 1 to close it. Then 0x ff I have taken. I will be explaining why. ORD Q, and then we can just break it. Okay, now here what is happening? First of all, let's understand this line number 6. If cv2.wait key 1 and bitwise we are taking, that is the hexa code. Actually this 0xff hexa code we have used with making it equivalent to q button, q key on our keyboard. Like what will be happening if we are using this 64-bit machine? So this hexa code should be used, otherwise it will be not supporting the wait key 1 even. That's why it has to be used, the combination. That's why we have used it. To quit the window we have used this q button. You can take whichever thing you like. And then I'm taking capture dot release. So it will be releasing the capture, and then cv2 dot destroy all windows, as we do always. Now as I said that I will be explaining what is the meaning of this video capture 0. So basically what is happening here, you can associate multiple cameras with your system. Okay, so if you are using a laptop or a desktop, maybe one default camera is available on your system. So this 0 is used to access the default camera of your system. In case you are having additional cameras attached to your system, 2-3 cameras, another second camera or something, so what will be happening, like this video capture, you can give the value 1, -1, +2, -2. So this way you can check different values if you are having some additional cameras attached to your system and you want to access that particular one. But in case you are having only one camera attached to your system, so for accessing the default camera you just have to use this 0 here. Now I am going to run this particular program. So the camera of my system will be on, and I'm having a notebook in my system. You will be in my hand. You will be able to see that notebook in the video. And as I will be pressing the Q button, that is the Q key from the keyboard, so the video will be closed. Okay, so let's check it, it's working or not. Let's run it. Now I am having one notebook in my hand, and as the camera will be open, so you will be able to see the notebook. So here you will be able to see the notebook. You can see, yeah, it is visible. So this is a colored notebook which I am having in my hand, and the video, it is a video. You can see it's okay, it's a video, not an image. It's a running video. Okay, so now if I will be pressing the Q key, because we have taken the Q key for the quit operation, so now I am pressing Q and you can see the video is closed. So it is working properly. It is working as we needed it. And don't worry about this warning, it's just a warning, but it's not an error. Our program is working absolutely fine. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are having any confusions, you can drop in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you are new to this channel, because a lot of videos are going to come on OpenCV and many more. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.